Hi, I'm Krysten-Ashley Garrod, National Artist for Goldwell Canada, and I'm here with the gorgeous model Tabitha, and we are creating a modern boho bridal look. Now, Tabitha just got engaged, so this is very exciting for her because this is exactly what she's looking for. We're gonna be creating a sort of half up, half down do, but we really wanna create a lot of texture within her hair first. So we're gonna go in with our styling product, our shaping finishing spray. Now this has both frizz, humidity, and heat protection all built into one. So this, to me, is a perfect start for any updo. We're gonna be going through and just really lightly misting all of her hair before we start to make sure all the lengths are covered, and then we can go in with our curling iron. We're gonna start in the nape and work our way up, taking horizontal sections and about a 1-inch section per each curl. So we're gonna take our iron, we have our Marcel iron here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go close in through the regrowth, heat up this section first before we clamp down, and then simply just twist the iron down. Because we're doing a more modern boho look, we can leave the ends out a little bit as we want them to be a little bit more ruffled and untouched. After we finish each section, we'll spray it just to help give a little bit more hold and work our way to the next section. So now we finished curling the back of Tabitha's hair. We basically went from the crown, the top of the ear, the top of the ear to the crown. Everything in the back is curled in the same direction. Now we're going to do the side. So everything on both sides in front of the ear will be curled off the face. Now we're gonna flip her around and flip the curling iron around and do the same thing on this side. Heating it up, twisting it away from the face. Now that we've got all the curling done, now it's time to get into the style. We're gonna be creating this base in through sort of the occipital bone area. So all we're gonna be doing is taking our comb, back brushing just a little bit to really create something soft for us to pin into. Once we've created a little bit of this back brushing, this is where we're gonna go in with our dry texture. And this is really gonna help keep that texture in place. We're gonna be going in with our bobby pins. We want the flat side down and their curved side on the top. And this is gonna allow the other bobby pin to really link together. So we're gonna create an X in the hair, having these bobby pins lay over top of each other. Now we have a little bit of a base for us to pin into. A little bit of our dry texture spray. We're gonna just twist this area around and pin in to that base. So now that we have the back of Tabitha's hair done, we can really see this shape starting to come into place. So now we're gonna move over to the front. So in the front here, we really wanna keep a lot of little pieces around her face, keep it very soft and romantic, and that's really gonna go with that boho vibe. So first of all, we're going to take an 1.5 inch section. Now we're gonna take this section into 2, and we're just going to do a twist. Once we have that twist in place, we can let it kind of go a little bit more soft, and we're gonna start pulling this out. And all we're doing is we're taking our finger and our thumb, and we're really just helping stretch out this style. And again, keeping the pin closed when we're putting it into the hair. If we open the pin, like so, and then we insert it in the hair, we're actually gonna be grabbing more hair, which is gonna be collapsing that overall shape, which we don't wanna do. So now we're gonna take our final section, we're gonna leave some stuff around the face, so we're leaving about 1 centimeter around the face out, and this is what's gonna give us that really beautiful, romantic, whimsy boho vibe. Now we're gonna take our last section, we're going to twist it again, so again, separating it into 2, and we're gonna be twisting it. So now we're gonna move her to the other side, and we're working again in the section that's sort of the top of the ear forward. Because she is parting her hair on the side, we can leave a little bit more out on this side to make it a little bit more asymmetrical and fun. think we've refined the shape. So now we're gonna be getting into kind of seal it in place. So we're gonna be going in with our compressed working spray. So this has got a medium hairspray, microfine mist, and this is gonna give us like frizz resistance, anti-humidity resistance, all that kind of good stuff. As well as it's in a smaller bottle, which I actually really liked because it is compressed, so you get the same amount of applications as a bigger bottle in a smaller one. So this is really fun to work with. I'm so excited to see how Tabitha's look turned out using new products from our StyleSign range. Remember, if you want to watch more hair tutorials like this, follow the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get all the notifications. Thanks for watching.